Okay, so back to volcanoes. There are three types of volcano. Three types of volcano. The first kind is a composite, composite volcano. Examples of the composite volcano type include Mount Fuji in Japan and Mount Etna in Italy. Mount Fuji and Mount Etna. This is really important for your GCSE exam because they'll ask you perhaps to write an essay, to write a piece about the three different kinds and to give examples of each. Okay, so the most important thing to remember for a composite volcano is that it's made from layers of ash and lava. Ash and lava. The other two kinds are made only of lava. They have no ash. So the composite volcano is made from layers of ash and lava. Very, 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 very important. Okay, so there are four things that are given off, that is ejected through the vent in the composite volcano. The four things are ash, gas, volcanic bombs, and molten rock. And the four things, ash, gas, volcanic bombs, and molten rock, are ejected, are thrown out. They can imagine it being sick. It's vomiting them like blah. It's ejected through the vent. The vent. The word vent comes from the French word vent. Vent. And a vent is really just like a hole like you have in your jacket that lets the heat out. Sometimes under your armpit and the jacket you have little holes, and it's just to let the hot air out. So a vent is a place where something comes out. Okay, so four things are ejected through the vent of a composite volcano: ash, gas, volcanic bombs, and molten rock. Now, when these get to the surface, they cool down, and they harden, they go hard, okay? They cool and they harden. The composite volcanoes are made from layers of ash and lava. The lava is thick, it's thick, and it flows slowly. It's thick and it flows slowly. But it hardens, it goes hard quickly, and it forms a steep-sided volcano. A steep-sided volcano. Okay? The second type of volcano is a shield volcano. Shield volcano. It's a low, flat volcano. Shield volcano. The way to remember this in your head, if you have a pictorial or you like images in your head like me, is to think of a soldier with his sword in hand and his shield. And he has this kind of low, flat shield to protect him. Okay, so a shield type of volcano. Example of a shield volcano is Mauna Loa. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but I think it's Mauna Loa on the Hawaiian Islands. And a shield volcano is made from lava, but it's only made from lava. So remember that you only have ash in the composite volcano, not in the other two kinds. Ash is only in composite. So a shield volcano is made from lava, and the lava in this kind is alkaline. Alkaline. Remember your pH scale. Acid, alkaline, and in the middle is neutral. So the lava on a shield volcano is alkaline and it's runny. It's runny. It runs away. It's runny. And because it's runny, it flows quickly. Quickly. So the lava is alkaline, runny, and it flows quickly and easily. And it spreads over a wide area. So because it flows very easily, you can think of it like water. If you pour water it travels a long way and it covers a big area. But if you were to pour treacle or something thick, then it doesn't go so far and it goes slowly. So that's the way to remember it. Because the shield volcano, because the lava is runny and it goes quickly, it spreads over a large area, you get a very low, flat volcano, which is why we call it a shield shape. So you get wider, flatter features. Alright? So that should help you to remember. So the third kind of volcano, the third kind is a dome volcano, a dome. And the way to remember this is to think about like a cathedral, like St. Paul's Cathedral or something like that, a dome, like a big bowl. It's rounded because the volcano is kind of round. It's bowl-shaped, like a dome volcano. An example would be Mount St. Helens in America or Mount Pelee in the Caribbean. Mount Pelee, alright? And the dome volcano is made of lava only. There's no ash. Only the composite volcano has ash. So the dome volcano is made from lava. Lava. Only lava. And the lava is acidic. It's acid. And it's thicker. And because it's thicker, it flows slowly. But it goes harder. It goes hard much quicker. And it forms a steep-sided volcano. So that's it really for the three different types. Now, some of you asked me in class to explain a little bit about molten rock. Molten rock is really just melted rock. Molten rock, melted rock. And it comes in different forms, but it's exactly the same thing, we just give it different names. When the molten rock is under the ground, when it's inside the volcano in this chamber, remember French? Chamber means room. When the magma is in the chamber, when it's under the ground, we call it magma. But when the molten rock reaches the surface, we call it lava. But it's essentially the same thing. It's just that we call the molten rock magma under the surface and lava when it comes to the top. Now, volcanic bombs, you can think of bombs like war bombs. Volcanic bomb is just a mass, it's like a big piece of molten rock. But it has to be larger than 65 millimeters. And it's basically just lava that's been ejected, it's been spewed, vomited, thrown out from the volcano. So you've got these big pieces of molten rock, volcanic bombs being thrown out from the volcano. Alright, so it's not too tricky, and I think you should be able to remember it. Alright, so I'll see you later. Bye.